Thanks for joining us on Valley News Live. A look at I-29 and the 32nd Avenue exit there as we have some water wetting the streets of the FM area, and many of us are seeing at least a little bit of rain shower activity. With temperatures near 60 degrees, it has been a cool day, but the wind under control at under 5 miles per hour at Hector at this hour. The warm spot in orange, Roseau, in parts of central Minnesota. Now, that's not always the case here, the warmest, but a little more sunshine, more prolonged there as our weather maker today coming from the west, where temperatures are coolest, mid-50s right now in Gwinner, 59 Devils Lake, 61 Langdon, and off in Lakes Country we have 60 to 65 degrees from Detroit Lakes through portions of Otter Tail County. Here it is, extending all the way from Kittson County to Sioux Falls, South Dakota and beyond. A line of showers and storms associated with this area of low pressure. Now, we do have a couple of areas of thunder shower activity where you see rumbles of thunder moving in on the St. Cloud area. For us, a brief rumble of thunder not out of the question, but here's the leading edge of the showers. And if you have the Valley News Live weather app, we've been updating the radar throughout the afternoon. Be ready for this to make its way into the FM area here before the end of the show with the heaviest band of showers. Even though it's raining now, it's about to get a little bit more moderate to maybe even briefly heavy at times. This extends all the way down through Gwinner and out towards Lidgerwood. We're starting to see rainfall rates from this system anywhere between 1/2 inch and 3/4 inch to 0.8 inch per hour here as we go through the evening hours. And the swath of rain heading our way fairly wide. It could last up to an hour. Many of us seeing 1/3 inch to 1/2 inch, with isolated places seeing 1 inch or maybe even more. Now up north, things are a little less robust as far as the heaviness of the rain. Spotty showers continuing throughout most of northwest portions of Minnesota, northeast North Dakota, from Grafton down through western Grand Forks County. To the west of that, things are starting to clear. Nationwide, quiet, 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 and quiet until you get down toward the Gulf Coast, and that is where Tropical Storm Nicholas is right here. You can see the center of rotation, bands of heavy rain heading up towards coastal Texas tonight. For us, we're expecting that rain to continue through. Now, by the 7 to 8 o'clock hour, most of the heavy rain will be pushing off into Minnesota. The model doesn't show anything for northwest Minnesota. You're going to get rain tonight. It just won't be as heavy as your neighbors to the south. So spits and sprinkles up there. And as we go through the late evening hours, between 10 and midnight, things start to wrap out of here. Clearing skies through the overnight out west will lead to chilly temperatures in the morning. There could be a few of you kissing 40 degrees. The rest of us, 50 to 55. Patchy fog cannot be ruled out from the valley and points east the way it looks now. Heading into the first half of your day, you will notice a northwest wind 15 to 20 miles per hour throughout the afternoon, and it will be cooler than average for this time of the year, with temperatures across the region near 70 degrees. Notice the clouds showing up in the afternoon. I can't rule out a sprinkle or two, but I don't expect anything widespread. Tonight, a few 100ths, I should say, up north, 1/3 inch to 1 inch plus in isolated locations in the southern valley from I-94 and points south, with the heaviest rain in southern Minnesota. 55 to start your morning in the FM area. Temperatures ramping up only into the low 70s. Very comfortably cool, we'll call it, but breezy. Remember that, 15 to 20 miles per hour. 70 degrees or so for the entire area. Late clouds and spotty sprinkles in your forecast after noon. Leah sent this beautiful shot of the mirror image from the lake. Your planning forecast, 75 Wednesday. I don't think we'll see much widespread showers. On Thursday, we're going to have some scattered thunderstorms, but it's only going to be pretty unorganized moisture working its way through. Look at that weekend ahead. Temperatures soaring back up to some summer-like near 80-degree readings for you kids getting back into the grind of school. It looks like a fun weekend to get out and play.
All right, thanks so much. Hutch referenced hurricane and